In this video, we'll go over the three best enterprise drones. Let's take a look.
The first drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a high-performance drone built for advanced aerial photography and videography. Weighing 958 grams, it features a foldable design for portability. It boasts a maximum flight time of 43 minutes and hovering time of 37 minutes with a flight distance of up to 28 kilometers under optimal conditions. The drone includes three high-end cameras. A Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS sensor, which is 20 megapixels for wide shots. A 1/1.3-inch CMOS medium telephoto, which is 48 megapixels. And a 1/2-inch CMOS telephoto, 12 megapixels. Each camera supports high-resolution stills and professional-grade video. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the drone uses multiple video sensors and infrared to navigate complex environments safely. It can resist winds up to 12 meters per second and reach speeds of 21 meters per second horizontally, with a maximum altitude of 6,000 meters. For video transmission, the O3 Plus system offers up to 15 kilometers range and live view at 1080p/60 fps, with Wi-Fi 6 downloads reaching 80 MBs per second. Latency can be as low as 120 milliseconds with compatible controllers. Storage includes 8 GB with support for high-speed micro SD cards. Its 5000 mAh battery charges in as little as 70 minutes using the 100-watt USB-C adapter, and a variety of charging options are available, including car and hub charges. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is classified under EUC2 and supports GPS, Galileo, and Baidu for precise positioning. DJI guarantees software updates through December 31st, 2026, making it a future-ready drone for professionals. Also, if you're interested in any of the covered drones in this video and want to find out the current prices, then you can check out the links in the description or the first pinned comment of this video. The second drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a high-performance camera drone designed for professional aerial imaging and extended flight performance. It weighs 895 grams. It features a foldable design and a maximum flight time of 46 minutes under ideal conditions. With a 5000 mAh battery and a top flight speed of 21 meters per second, it can fly up to 30 kilometers in controlled environments. It withstands winds up to 12 meters per second and operates at temperatures from -10 Celsius to 40 Celsius. Equipped with a Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS main camera, the Mavic 3 captures high-quality stills and video with adjustable apertures, 5.1K video resolution, and support for multiple photo modes including burst, AEB, and timed shots. The signed model adds Apple ProRes 422 support with a massive 1 TB internal SSD. A secondary 1/2-inch telephoto camera offers up to 28 times digital zoom and 4K video recording. The gimbal provides 3-axis stabilization with precise angular vibration control. Vision sensing is omnidirectional, assisted by infrared sensors for obstacle detection up to 200 meters. The O3 Plus video transmission system ensures low latency 1080p live feeds at 60 fps with a maximum transmission range of up to 15 kilometers. The Mavic 3 is compatible with various storage options, including a recommended micro SD card and for sign mount and high-speed SSD recording. Charging options include standard wall, car, and hub charging with a 96-minute full battery charge time. The RC-N1 controller supports multiple USB types and has a 6-hour battery life. DJI has committed to software updates for the Mavic 3 until December 31st, 2026, reinforcing its long-term support for professional users. As a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe if the video is giving you good value, and let me know in the comments what your favorite drone is. The third drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a high-performance drone combining advanced imaging, impressive flight capabilities, and robust safety features. Weighing 895 grams, it features a compact foldable design with a maximum flight time of 46 minutes and a maximum flight distance of 30 kilometers. It offers extended aerial operation. It can ascend at 8 meters per second and reach horizontal speeds of up to 21 meters per second and withstanding winds up to 12 meters per second. At its core is a Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS camera with 20 megapixel resolution, variable aperture, and support for JPEG and RAW photos. It captures up to 5.1K video at 50 fps and Full HD at 200 fps for slow motion, supporting formats like MP4 or MOV with a maximum video bitrate of 200 MB per second. Color profiles include normal, D-Log, D-Log-M, and ALG. Digital zoom up to 3 times is available in video mode. Stabilization is provided by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with fine angular vibration control, ensuring smooth footage. Its omnidirectional sensing system combines binocular vision and infrared sensors for obstacle detection on all sides, enhancing safety in flight. Navigation uses GPS, Galileo, and Baidu with hovering precision up to ±0.1 meters vertically. The O3 Plus video transmission system delivers 1080p live view at up to 60 fps with a maximum transmission range of 15 kilometers. Internal storage is 8 GB with support for high-performance micro SD cards. Power is provided by a 5000 mAh Li-ion battery offering 77 watt-hours of energy, charged in about 96 minutes. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is classified under the EU's C1 drone category and is guaranteed software support through the end of 2026. These were the drones I carefully researched for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified about future videos. Also, if you're interested in more information about the mentioned drones in this video, then don't forget to check out the links in the description or first pinned comment of this video. See you in the next one.